Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create typing test app in MIT App Inventor. So let me show you how we can do this. So here we go. Click on new project and my project name is typing test app. So that I will tell you that what's the speed of your typing. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to use here the first screen here, this one. In the left side, you will see the web view, just drag and drop this like this. Now we're going to use here the one AI tool to create that tool for us. So I'm going to use here the DeepSeek AI. Open the chat.deepseek.com and just type a simple prompt here. Create a simple but design for a mobile responsive web app that should test the typing speed. Please use some sample write-up and there should be a timer also. Create this tool using HTML, CSS and JS and just enter. And just wait some seconds and that will give you the amazing tool. Okay, typing speed test web app. That's created the amazing game. Now let's click on run and let's see how this will work. Wow, fantastic. Speed type pro. Nice. So let's try. Click to start test button. Okay, let's try this. As you can see, the word per minute, accuracy, time, and character. They have an option like test setting. Click on this. You can see the difficulty level, medium, easy, hard, and test duration. So I can change that to duration. And this is the color theme. Okay. Now let me just try with start test. Okay, and let's see how this will work. Okay. Java script is a versatile programming language used for web. Oh shit. So my word speed is 71 words per minute, 100% accuracy, time is 10 seconds. Fantastic. This is really a cool tool. You can use it this as a web and I'm going to use it as an app. So how can I use it? So click on the download button and just rename this to the typing.html. Go to the MIT App Inventor. In the right side, you'll see the upload files. Click on choose file. Let's upload that typing.html file and click on the web view and just here in the home URL, we just need to type here http column / localhost / and our file name is typing.html. Okay, cool. Ignore SSL chat this. Done. Let's just try the connect option, AI companion. Just copy this code. Open the App Inventor and just test it. Paste the code, connect with code. Wow, this is a speed typo pro app. Fantastic. Let me just try. This is for test setting. I'm going to just make it for 10 seconds or maybe let's try 15 seconds and then intermediate and just click on start typing. This is the fantastic app we created using the AI and App Inventor. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.